Today I'm taking a look at the JUFINX X21 Super Turbo Fan. Okay, so it does come with an instruction manual. This is actually a nice laminated manual, something you don't normally see. Okay, wow, that is a very large fan. This makes me look like I've got tiny little baby hands. That is kind of funny. They got a nice rubber grip here on the back as well as on the front. I like they got that thick texture here on the back. Yeah, it's just kind of funny to look at. It looks like they took one of these smaller dusters and then just like dragged it larger. So it has a USB-C port there on the bottom. You can see it is 14.8 volts, 6,000 milliamp hours, and can accept a few different voltages. We've got many blades on that fan. So we got another USB-C port there on the back, and we have a tether point on the bottom. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, yeah, that is not... So, they did warn me this is no longer a duster. This is now what they would consider to be a leaf blower. And I believe it. Oh, my goodness. That has got a lot of thrust on it. Like, I can feel this thing pushing against my hand. That is pretty remarkable. Okay, so there does not appear to be an adjustability on the speed. We've got one speed, and that is full bore. Yeah, that's believable as a leaf blower. That is an incredible amount of power for a handheld unit. So it does come with a charger that is USB-C, and that is actually a 45-watt charger, 45-watt GAN charger. It says that's capable of accepting 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs a couple of different amperages depending on the voltage. And we got our charging cable, and that is USB-C to USB-C.
Is something else. So yeah, I mean, this thing can definitely take the place of an air hose with an air gun on the end of it, and plus being able to do that all with battery power, that is very impressive. Instead of having to carry all that extra equipment, especially if I was in an area where I didn't have a compressor available, that is just very handy.
Yeah, it turned about a half-hour work into about 3 minutes of work. It's not bad.
Overall, that is an excellent tool.